All right, let's go ahead and take a look at number two. Number two, we have two fractions and they are subtracting each other. So when they're subtracting, we need to guarantee that they have the common denominator. And the way we decide whether they have or what the common denominator would be, it would be a lot easier to make sure that we can factor everything out if possible. And for the second fraction, we can clearly see that we can factor out something out. And so we would say, all right, seems like the first fraction is lacking something. It's lacking the x. So we will have 4x, okay, minus 4 in the numerator. And then we have x times x minus 1 in the denominator. Okay, so so then you can factor it out. And before we cancel something out, we should write down our restrictions. What x cannot be? Well, if you look at the common denominator right here, x definitely cannot be 0. And x can definitely not be 1 because either case, that would make the denominator equal to 0. Okay, and after that, we can go ahead and cross out the x minus 1 because they're dividing each other. They're the same. So now we have 4 over x as our simplified answer. These two fractions subtracting each other. Okay, so make sure you know how to find out the common denominator, which is to make sure that both fractions would have all the elements of each other. Okay.